Good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Let's like up the stream and get the question because it, and I will see you soon. Good morning, guys. What up? Happy Monday. 7 minutes till we get started. Let's like up the stream. We have 7 likes and we have 23 people in here. Come on. Yes, go Rory. Go Rory. Five minutes. 5 minutes till we get started. Morning, guys. 3 minutes till we get started. 3 minutes. Two minutes. 2 minutes. See you soon. Be with you in 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Let's see if we got any questions and tickets in. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Right, good morning, everybody. What up? What up? Let's get the chart change. Cool. Happy Monday to everyone. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Weekend was great. Now it's time to make some money. Gonna make huge money this week. Big calls coming in this Discord soon. Huge money being made. Huge. Yo, it's Monday. Let's go. Good morning. Yes. Well done to Rory. The man. Lol, 80x. Yes. IPDN. Yeah, I just did it again. IPDN, there's absolutely nothing that I see right now. Maybe there's news coming in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 hours. At the chart right now that I see, it's extremely bearish. I will show you the chart. Here it is. We have IPDN. We have low volume. I can tell you by the dots on this. See these dots on the candles? That is low volume. 4-hour time frame, it's also extremely bearish. No sign of reversal, nothing yet. I don't know what's happening with it, so yeah. What up, totes? RGTI. Let's get the questions in, guys. Come on. Any question, put some tickers in. Anything you have in general, ask away. RGTI key levels, we'll put them up here. We have it here. 1248, and then yeah, you had your resistance is here, so this here 7. You see this level? This is your resistance, 990. So probably above 990 it looks really good. This is what I would do, something like this. So if it closes above 990, yeah. Obviously there's still the tariff stuff going on. It's going to be affecting the market for a little bit. But good thing we day trade and we trade the small cap, high volume play. So there's always opportunity, lots of money made in that sector. Needs 990 break. The reason why I say it needs 990 break is very simple, because there is a resistance here. If we close above here, we have high probability to go up. If we enter here, we have resistance here and here. Don't want to be buying it now. Extremely high risk. Verve is coming back up. Let's see. It's coming down. Below VWAP, so nothing unless it's VWAP. If it's above VWAP, then fine, but right now it is below VWAP, so you're not interested yet. Kids is a pump and dump. Someone in the Discord told me that, and thankfully I didn't take any of the trade. As we all do in the Discord, and I'll give you a little secret that we do in the Discord, is we only trade stocks over VWAP. As you can see, this never got over VWAP, so we never took the trade. And then before that, I got told there was a pump and dump, so I did not get in, and I didn't even touch it. And that's what happens. Straight down it is. So nothing on kids. I'm not really interested in it. If you're trying to look for it, maybe above VWAP. That's what I would say. THTX. Let's see. THTX is okay. I still like it. It's just kind of in this demand zone here. Around this range. Still, like I said, this is below VWAP, so I'm not interested in it. But as long as it holds this level, then it looks good. Might give us some opportunity a little later today, but yeah, we need this to get above VWAP. So THTX needs VWAP. Bull, I'm expecting this to run. It's just a pullback right now, nothing crazy. Just needs to get above VWAP. Entries are only above VWAP. It might sound repetitive and boring and easy, but that's what you have to do. If you have the patience, all you have to do is wait for VWAP. If you're not going to enter before VWAP, or if you're going to enter before VWAP, cannot help you. All right, simple instructions. Simple instructions. ADTX. Nothing on ADTX. Zero on ADTX. It's nothing on this. It is a pump and dump off the news. Maybe you can take entries above $3.25. If it closes above that, I would say at least on the 5-minute time frame. Right now, the stock is very bearish. There's a huge downtrend. It is below a resistance, obviously, and we can see that by looking at the chart. Look at the 4-hour. We are going down. I will show you very clearly with a white line. We are going down. That's bearish. No good. Bad, bad, bad. Danger, danger, danger. Sellers are in control. Do not trade something like this. ADTX, terrible chart. Might hurt some people's feelings, but I'm sorry. The truth hurts. When you say stock needs close above VWAP, do you mean that has closed? I use 5-minute time frame, but you can use whatever time frame you want. I don't use the 1 minute to trade. XAGE looks fantastic. Very, very nice. Discord members, I know there's 2 people who took it earlier. Well done. This looks like the best setup, the highest probability to run. This is looking very, very good. Breaks above these highs here, 3 cents, 30 cents. It should continue to go up. Hollow about to get off cliff. Yeah, leave Hollow. Hollow's trash. They dropped some news, reverse split or something. BTOG, not interested on this unless it's above here, which is 0.1885. Maybe if you get above that, you can look for an entry. The reason is there is no trend, or the trend is ranging, meaning it's going up and down in here. I don't know what's going on. You only want to trade stocks that are in a bullish trend, which is like that. Right now, we do not have that, so we cannot take it. If you want to try and take risky entries, wait for 0.1185. So BTOG needs 0.1885 break. So wait for that level. If you want to enter before, best of luck. I would not do it. Lucid. I'll have a look at Lucid. Lucid. Right, so Lucid is trying to reverse off the demand zone. Entries are only above 266. I posted this about 5 times already in the last 2 minutes. Here is the next time I will do it and the only time I will do it. You are only entering above 266. If you enter below, I cannot help you because you've not followed the instructions. Follow about to get cliff. Yes, actually it keeps getting rejected. Yeah, 0.3 is a huge psychological level, so it needs to get above that. Next stage keeps getting rejected. Can please CANF. What's happening here? Run up 10%, straight back down. Yeah, straight up, straight back down. 230 is your psychological level here. Well, your main resistance is this. What is this? 210. Yeah, so maybe if it closes above 210, you can look for entries. Whatever time frame you want to wait for that close is up to you. I trade on the 5-minute time frame, so you can use the same if you want. It's not the best time frame. It's the time frame that I use, and I have a lot of very successful trades with it. But if you want to use the 2-second time frame or the daily time frame, you are more than welcome to do that. Canfi needs 210. 210, 210, 210. INTC, this is a large cap stock. INTC is not looking too good. INTC is trying to break this downtrend maybe, but wouldn't be too convinced on it. Here's your key levels. We have one here, obviously the wick fill 2390, and we have one around 2150. Am I right? 2173. So INTC is trying to break downtrend. You break that downtrend, then you look good. Yes, here. This is the link. Right here is the link. 1 or 3 months here, take it. Tomorrow I will be doing a huge seminar on the Discord, so everybody who wants to join the Discord or wants to have a look and see and get the freebies and have a look and see what you're gonna get, then I will be doing it tomorrow this time. So if you want to join tomorrow, feel free to do it. I will be doing and going over the Discord so you can see what is in the XAG related CRML. CRML. Nothing really going on with CRML. It's too difficult right now. It's below VWAP. If anything, maybe above VWAP, you could look for it. I'll keep this on the watch list. It looks like it did try and run up earlier. Personally, I would just probably wait for this downtrend break. It's quite a bit way to go. So we'll see. CRML needs downtrend break. So it might seem very repetitive with the charts and setups that I share, but it's because most people, I'd say 99% of the people who share charts or ask for tickers, they're bag holding it and they're bearish. So I have to try and just give an indication of where good entries are and so on. So for me, I would say that most of these stocks are not great to trade unless they're the top gainers. RXRX, I like it over 599. Right now there's low volume. In order for this to break above, it needs volume. If there's no volume, it will not respect it. It might fake out. BFRG thoughts. What are my thoughts on BFRG? BFRG has low volume. We go on to a larger time frame like the 4-hour we can use, and we can see what is happening here. Is there a gap fill anywhere? BFRG, no. So what I can identify based on the 4-hour is that we have a resistance right here, right? Every time we get here, rejection, rejection, rejection. So to make it easy and clear for ourselves and for people who don't understand, if a candle closes above a resistance, there is a high probability it will continue to go up. The reason is because the stock has broken out. That is as simple as it is. This is called a fake out. The candle body did not close above. It went straight down. BFRG, you need this to close above 210 for entries. Anything below is extremely high risk and you are gambling. OPTT, what's happening? Entries are only above 0.45. Entries only above 0.45. So like I said, most of these stocks are all bearish. Yes, it's pushing up, all good and well, but you need the candle body to close above. Who doesn't know what a candle body is? Press 1 in the chat. If you don't, you need to take your money out of your account and start from the basics of trading. QBTS, Luna. QBTS. QBTS, it's a bit of a weird one, to be honest. Not really convinced. Here's a major like resistance level around this. This is like $8, I would say. Maybe above $8 would be good entries because there's a lot of rejection below this level. And if you break above $8, you have a lot of room to the upside. I would say here's your next level, like 9.30. So $1.35 move is pretty decent. So for me, it's still a bit difficult now. QBTS needs $8 break for entry. So right now, this is not in a bullish trend. The reason is because this needs to break the high. Right now, it's trying to make high highs and high lows, but it's still not good. We're making something like this, like this, like this. We need to break this high. Now we're coming down here. Now when you break this high like that, break this trend, then we will continue to go up. That's how it is. Luna, L-U-N-R. Luna has a gap fill, daily gap fill. I would only enter this at the start of the daily gap fill, which is at $9.55. So this is Luna. Luna is entries at the start of gap fill, which is $9.55. See, when I share my charts on Twitter, I'm a lot different to every other trader, I would say, and FinTwit, because I do not give targets, I do not give PTs, I do not tell you when to buy and sell and all those things. I'm giving you education. I tell you where you can look for possible entries, and from there you obviously decide if you want to take it or not. And then obviously you also need to use correct risk management, and you need to make sure you always have a stop loss and a target. BNGO. BNGO. Yeah, this chart's bullish, so we are starting to push it in an uptrend here. We have a lot of room to the upside. I'll mark some key levels probably around here at 612, and then we have something around like 545 or 530. So these are your next key levels. You enter now, up to you, whatever you decide. Make sure to have a stop loss and use a realistic target. Oh, these are your key levels for BNGO. BNGO. STSS. STSS, is it pushing up still or not? Yeah, STS is trying to push up. I would say this is a demand zone here. I'm not going to use this whole wick. You should technically do that, but for the sake of this, to make the clear chart, this demand zone, you have falling wedge and demand zone. Looks bullish, expected to break out. However, you are below VWAP. If it gets above VWAP, then I would definitely look for some entries. I would not buy this just before open. It's extremely high risk. I would wait a little bit after open, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then maybe if it gives you a bullish trend still and the volume is still there, then probably look good for entry. Right now, it's rejecting VWAP. STSS we're expecting a breakout. So if you want to enter, you can enter. I would wait for VWAP. It is also 4 cents. No one, including myself in the Discord, will probably be trading this because we don't trade stocks of 4 cents. NOTV. NOTV has no volume for me. Nothing on that. Don't know what's going on there. LGMK, same as this, absolutely nothing. The chart is too bearish for my liking. I don't like to trade something like this. It's 1 cent. Not even going to bother going over that one, sorry. UAMI is very bullish, looks good. You have some next key levels. We can use the 4-hour time frame here and just look left. No way this is at all-time highs. You have some key levels here. This is a weekly. I'm going to use a weekly so I don't have to scroll so far. So these are your key levels around here based on the weekly, which is significant levels. Now you go to the 5-minute. Identify, okay, what is going on? Right now, the trend is very bullish, but it's very low volume. I can't trade something that has very low volume. But yeah, these are your key levels for UAMI. Key levels. Fubo, don't think anything's happening with Fubo. Yeah, Fubo is still bearish, doesn't look great to be honest with you. Maybe above $3 psychological, but right now it's too difficult to trade something that is in a downtrend still. Yeah, I mean, these are your key levels here. I would mark it for you. 337 and I guess is 312. 317. So yeah, we need to close above this. Needs to close above downtrend. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'm gonna get some water. Right. Bubo, yes. IBO, I saw that one earlier. It might be reversing. It's in demand zone, so up to you what you decide. It's above 50 cents as well. So we are starting to get smaller candles showing low volume pullback into demand zone is bullish, expecting a possible reversal to happen on. You enter, make sure to have a target and a stop loss. HYFM, what's happening with HYFM? HYFM, not really interested in this. Maybe above here, 280, you could look for an entry on it. Right now, I wouldn't take it. You're too close to a resistance here, so maybe entries above 280. Entries only above 280. So if it breaks 280, then you can look for your entry. All right. 280. TDTH. Nothing on TDTH. Absolutely nothing. Low volume, bearish. Yeah, nothing. AREB still downtrend on this. Maybe needs to break above there for possible entries. Difficult to trade that right now. Weebles here 15%. Yeah, nothing on this. It's below VWAP. I'm expected to probably run again today, but we'll see. Just see how the market opens. But yeah, this was probably one. Probably going to be like a meme stock of some sort, I'm sure. BBAI is pushing up a little bit. Still no entries unless 318. Break about 318, you have clean range to the upside. Looks like it is trying to push up, but don't know, no news or anything yet. So if you get above 318, you can buy it. If it doesn't get above 318, you do not buy it. Easy. TMC, yeah, let's see. TMC does a rest. Not really moving right now. Great alert, turn that off. Okay, TMC is nothing right now. It's just like ranging here. I'll keep it on my watch list, and if it does get volume later, I'll probably watch it. XAGE looks good. I like it. 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 ONDS. ONDS is trying to break out of this like, falling wedge. Turn around. There we go. So possible falling wedge demand zone, which is breaking out of. Very nice. The stock. Yeah. I think there's some kind of news or something on this. So it's trying to break out like that. Then we can mark some key levels off, probably around here. Use $1 as a psychological level, so I'll put that in blue, like that. And then we can put here at 125 for now. So these are your key levels. So I would wait for $1, but it's breaking out right now, which is nice as well. Pushing up, it's pushing up a little bit. Right, CRML, nothing yet. Verve, nothing yet. RXRX, nothing yet. THTX, this looks good. I would look for possible entries on this. I expect a reversal coming in on this. Yeah, this is definitely trying to reverse, so keep an eye on this. THTX. Keep a damn stop loss. So if you take this, you take it. Make sure to have a stop loss. If you trade without stop loss, I cannot help Are all these QBTS and SOU and all them pushing? We have resistance right here at 898. So we'll put that at $9. Round it up to a nice psychological level. Put it in blue as usual. Zoom in onto the chart, make it clear, and understand what is going on. So we know now if it breaks above $9, this is possibly good for. But yeah, this overall market's bearish right now. Needs $9 break. $9. Yeah, so above $9, maybe you can look for something. ONDS. Yes, this is the only link to the Discord, okay? It is the WAP link, so I will direct you. You click on it, and then you have the choice of a 1 month or 3 month tier. Okay, you can choose whichever one you want to do. All right. If you do the 3 month, there is no difference except it's cheaper. That's the only difference for the 3 month tier. All right. You can read all the reviews there from the members. They are all there. They are real ones. I wish I could fake them and write we are the best, but unfortunately these are what the members write. We do live training every day. I will be going over it all tomorrow. All right. As you guys know, or if you don't know, there are limited spots each month in the Discord. So when there are spaces available, they are there and you're able to use it. If not, it won't be. THTX is moving up as expected. Looking very good. TMC is pushing up as well. Fig, I see that. AREB, nothing. CRML, nothing. This is looking very good as well. I'm expecting this to break out and push to the upside. Hopefully it does, because we need a runner right now. The only thing that I see that's possible runner right now is this 0.3. So what I'm going to do is delete this, put 0.3 here, since we know that that's a psychological level. Make this a little smaller. So you see how it's rejecting 0.3? You need a candle body to close above. So this is very basics things here to understand. Everybody, if you're new and don't understand when I say needs to close above, here we go. Here is my candle body represented in yellow. And then we have a wick like this, all right? The candle body closes above, then you can take the trade. The candle body does not close above, like it has rejected once, twice now, right? You cannot take the trade. It is called a fake out, not a breakout. If a candle body closes above, that is a breakout. It can be as small as that body of the candle, or it can be the whole thing. The more the body, the more bullish, the stronger it is, the higher probability will go up. If you have it just closed over like that, not as high probability. If you have a nice candle body closed above like that, then there's a high probability it'll go up. Simple, easy trading. Simple, easy trading. That's basics. There's a whole seminar on that in the Discord as well. Once you join, you'll be able to watch it. So these are your key levels on XH. So XH, as I just explained now, needs to close above 0.3 for entries. All right. A lot of rejection. If you don't know what strong top wicks are, then I will show you. Right. Needs to close above 0.3. I do not suggest buying anything before open. If you enter STSS, it needs to close above VWAP. Right, so STSS, let's have a look together. I will add through it. Has STSS closed above VWAP? No, it has not. And well done to anybody at THTX. I do this for free and not only in the Discord. Well done if you took this trade. I told you you could take it. Well done if you had ears or if you had eyes. I told you you could enter. So if you got in, congratulations. If you didn't, slap yourself in the head and say, why didn't I listen to Tiger Line Trades? Perfect, 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 perfect. That is a perfect reversal right there. We will see if it continues to go up. RKLB bullish. Yeah, it is. Right now you're at a resistance though, so I would just off. Too strong of resistance here for me to even take this. I wouldn't say it's bullish right now. It needs to break above here for continuation to the upside. Yeah. So nothing exciting on that yet. Go through my watch list and then I will be heading out into Discord. VREV, verb, you need to close above VWAP to enter. CRML looking good. If this closes above VWAP, you could look for possible entries. Discord members use the strategy. Candlestick, apply it. RX looking good. High volume needs to break this and go. ARAB, maybe. It's just ranging right now. I don't like something that's doing that. THTX, absolutely fantastic. We knocked this one out the park. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Got in. Congratulations. Well done if you got in. See, even Totes got in. And Stevie Wonder as well. Simple, easy setup. Explained to the T. I told you what it is. And if you listened, well done. We have THTX, so that's looking good. TMC is looking alright. Weeble, nothing yet. We need it above VWAP. XAge needs to close above 0.3 as I mentioned. STSS needs to close above VWAP for any possible entries. Alright. I am going to head into the Discord now, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. As I mentioned, I will be doing a Discord live stream tomorrow, so you'll be able to see what's in the Discord. I'll be showing you everything, and if you want to join, you're more than welcome to. We will open up more spots tomorrow for those who are interested. But yes, if you want to join now, there's a 1 month and 3 month tier link below on WAP. Click on it, choose it, and then I will see you in live trading. All right. Have a great day.